Are you wondering if these stick removers are actually any good and should actually get them? Well, I can actually highly suggest them. I have been using these for past few months and I must have removed at least like 50 ticks from my dogs essentially with these, and they're absolutely brilliant. So it literally takes maybe like 2 seconds to remove tick, and yeah, they're absolutely brilliant. I will show you a bit later how to use them on my dog, but also in the description I'll leave a link where you can get them for on Aliexpress, for example. They literally cost only $1 for a set of 3 in different sizes. So again, on Amazon they might cost maybe like $10, but again on Aliexpress, if you follow the link, the special link, basically it will cost you $1 with free shipping for a set of these. So again, you do not really need to pay much for these. And the way these work is simply, for example, if you have a tick basically somewhere, so let's say this is a tick, essentially what you do is you basically take this like hook, as you can see, basically this is what it looks like, and you basically like slide it over the tick like this. So, and then what you do is you simply like twist it like this around. So I hope you can, I hope you can understand. Basically you hook on the tick essentially, so you basically jam it to the like very end basically of the tick, and then simply twist it like this, and that like tick like basically gets twisted out, and you do not even need to pull. So that's actually pretty decent on this. So with this twisting motion, it simply like it takes, basically comes out. And let me show you how to actually use it. So for example, I have yet another tick on my dog over here, as you can see basically. So but you can also use this on a cat, on and even on yourself as well. So really what we do, again, we simply like spread apart basically the fur on the dog, for example, so you have good access for the tick. And then I'm simply going to take this tool. So it's actually mega hard to film basically. You see, I'm going to spread out the fur basically. You can simply hook this tool on the tick. I hope you can see basically. So again, simply like slide it all the way you can, and then I'm going to simply twist it like this several times around, and as you see basically the tick came out. And check how actually well the tick actually came out. And also it actually stays inside this tool until you like remove it physically from it. So there is no chance it will actually like disappear, unlike if you actually maybe use a piece of string to remove a tick. Sometimes you can actually lose a tick, so while actually pull it out, and might even like come flying at you. But with this one, so again, you simply like twist around and you do not have to pull or stuff like that. And again, as you can see, I was able to remove basically the whole tick essentially with the head. And again, out of like maybe like literally like 50 ticks I have removed in the past months. So I have never had like a tick head basically stay inside, unlike you sometimes get if you try to pull it with something else or a string. And what do you do with the tick after you remove it? Okay, so what I suggest you do is simply maybe take a tape and literally put the tick inside the tape, as you can see. So, and simply like, okay, not a good example, but yeah, as you can see, basically you can take the tick and put it inside basically a tape, and again there is no chance to get out. So some people actually like to burn them, but again I find the tape is probably the easiest and safest way to actually dispose them, and to basically to suffocate inside, and there is no chance it can escape or stuff like that. So I can highly suggest the tape method. Again, basically check the link in description, that will lead you to the cheapest place where you can get these so literally for $1. I mean, it's absolutely amazing innovation what they have actually come up. So again, out of all these tick removers, I think this again is literally the cheapest and probably the most effective one. Anyway, good luck.